This brand new tube here is a Parts Unlimited, marketed as heavy duty. This tube here, this tube here is the original front tube that was in my 2023 XR 650L. It's a Dunlop. I'm sorry, not good with the camera here. It's a Dunlop. And it was perfectly good, not leaking or anything. And so I just wanted to point out that this Parts Unlimited tube, marketed as heavy duty, is in fact significantly thicker and heavier than this Dunlop tube, this original that was in my XR 650L. Now, just being thicker and heavier doesn't necessarily mean it's better, but it's a fairly good indication that it is in fact heavy duty. So just wanted to point that out, that in this case it does in fact seem like a heavy duty tube. So thanks for watching.